What's up, guys? My name is Ed Swings. I'm a forex trader from Nigeria, and this is my first ever YouTube video. And I'm gonna structure this channel where at the end of every week, or maybe at the end of every trading day, you guys get a trade breakdown video of me of how I took the trade, of what I saw. I'm going to be I'm going to try to be as transparent as it can get. So I basically trade GBP and gold. Now on Friday, my chart is already ready, as you guys can see here. On Friday, the previous week, the one we today is Sunday. So as you guys can see, today is Sunday, September 10th, 1:23 p.m. Nigerian time. And this is Friday trade, obviously September 8th. Now, I took a trade on GBPUSD. I missed the trade on gold because I was watching GBPUSD. It paid me though, but obviously we move. The market is obviously going to give more setups. You don't have to cry over one setup that has missed. All right, so I'm just gonna jump into the video straight away. Basically, we all have to understand that market structure and price action is key. Market structure and price action is very key. GPUSD this week has been giving me clear market structure, guys. Clear market structure. It can't get clearer than these guys. From the basic textbook setup that we all know, we know that the market moves in three directions. We have downtrend, right? Then we have the uptrend. And then we have a phase where the market is neither doing an uptrend or a downtrend and is just consolidating up until it starts trending again. So when we have series of lower lows and lower highs, that's a downtrend. When we switch into making higher lows and higher highs, we're an uptrend. And when we stop making series of lower lows, lower highs, higher lows, lower highs, higher lows, higher highs, then we start to consolidate and then enter a ranging market. So a downtrend market, a downtrend market, an uptrend market, a ranging market, a downtrend market. That's how the market moves in cycle. That's how the market moves in cycle. So now let's not, without wasting any further time, let's jump into the video. So on Friday, I'm waking up around Nigerian time 7 a.m. and I can obviously identify the trend. So I'm just gonna make this 2 and turn this to blue. Yep. So I'm obviously identifying the trend and I can see that okay, the market is impulse correction, making series of lower highs, lower lows, blah 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 blah, all that good stuff. Now I'm just trying to look for points where I can sell because follow the trend, guys. You can obviously see that the market is bearish. What are you looking for? Sell the market. Sell the market. This is not a trend line. This is a bearish direction. Now I'm looking for levels in which I can look for sales. And I have this level here. I have that level there. I have this one in case price still doesn't want to respect that level. I have these two levels as my major levels. And my trade is invalid once we take out this level. Like I'll start looking for buys if price can do something like this. But regardless of that, let's just focus on what we can see right now. All I'm looking for is sell. All I'm looking for is sell. And all I'm looking for is what? Is just sell. So let me delete this. So this is my invalidation zone, and then these are the levels I want to sell. Price currently at this level. Now on the 1 hour time frame, you can see that I missed this bulk major structure. We can see this minute structure. Let's go to the 30 minutes time frame. Now let's go to 30 minutes time frame, guys. So you can see we have this minute structure here going up. Market is in a bullish trend. What are you looking for? Waiting for price to change structure to tell you that we're going to sell. So I was waking up around this time. I'm just waiting for sell confirmation in London session. I trade London session open and close, open to the close rather. So yeah, and then I see that we have this break here, and we're already in London session around here. So we got into London session around here. So London gave me my break of structure and confirmation for bearish trend, and then all I was basically just looking for was sell confirmations. Now I teach different entry mechanisms, but I'm going to tell you the entry mechanism that I used for this particular trade. So just trying to be as transparent as possible. So now we have this structure here, and then we have this other block here. These are levels that I am personally looking to take my sell setup off from. Now, let me just delete the lines because we already know what we're looking for here. This is our direction. Now, this is me and my thought process when I'm looking for this particular trade setup. So I already knew that we've switched structure to bearish trend. As you can see, guys, on the lower time frame, we've started to make sense with the higher time frame. So this is like, if you want to use a trend line, that's a break of trend line there. That's a break of a trend line there for trend line traders. So obviously, the market is now bearish. Now, trend line traders would have gotten in here, early sales. That's good for them. Probably make their quick scalp money. I'm not doing that with them. Now, me personally, yeah, I pull out my Fibonacci from here to here. I pull out my Fibonacci from here to here. And I'm basically looking to sell. And I'm basically looking to sell GBP from this level here. I'm basically looking to sell GBP from this level here. Obviously, because this is a what? A resistance. This is a resistance. So resistance, when it broke, it came back, used as support as a resistance again. So I'm personally waiting for price to just come back here and I'm going to sell this thing. So I had a sell limit on GBP at this level here. I had a sell limit at this level here. It was exactly that level. And my stop loss is always 4 pips above this high. So exactly, I think it was, yeah. So I had a 14 pip stop loss. Yeah, that was my stop loss. And I was targeting 1, 2, 3. I always do 1, 2, 3 basically because you can never get wrong with 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's all I do. I don't care if the market is obviously my overall target is going to be somewhere here, but I'm okay if I get 1, 2, 3. That makes sense to me. That makes sense to me. And obviously, like if you want to like build more confidence for your take profits, I can see that we have this level here of support level. You can see that we also have this level here. So yeah, it all makes sense to take my profit at that level there, but that was what I was just looking for. So I wanted to sell GPUSD at the golden zone 78.6. So as you guys can see, I have, so let me delete this major 1 hour structure. And so this is my 15 minutes now. I have this structure here. So market made the high, broke it, came back, tested it again. So I wanted price to come back there for a third touch to confirm this level here and exactly price. So I had my sell limit here, right? And let's see what price did. Yeah, let's see what price did. Now at this point, I was like, oh my god, like price just came here, didn't trigger me. But like my limit is still there. I'm not no FOMO, no fear of missing out. Still holding my trade. Let's see. Price taps into my entry, almost takes me out, guys. And then what do we see price do from there? Boom, and eventually gets to my take profits, guys. That was just as easy as that. It can't get easier than this, guys. It can't get easier than this. So I had a 1, 2, 3 bag on GPUSD, and that was my trade for the week. On Friday, rather, I had other trades on GPUSD and gold this week. But gold, I missed the setup. I'm not going to talk about it because I missed it. But let me show you guys proof that I actually did take this trade on GBP. On GPUSD. Let me go to my Telegram to actually show you guys. So, guys, give me a sec. I'm trying to find that. Okay, I think I found it. So, yeah, Telegram. Now, this was the trade before. As you guys can see, the coordinates are the same. 1.25004. That was my entry that I was waiting for. Price finally came there. Same entry, 1.25004, triggered, collapsed, and that was the trade here. I got in around here and I exited around here. And guys, it was a nice bag to end Friday. And that's how you just want to do it. You want to keep it pretty simple, guys. Price action over indicators, just understand risk management, know your risks, know how to play your cards well, and it can't get easier than this, guys. So, anyways, if you want more content like this, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. Also, turn on the notification so you always get notifications when I post more videos like this. And guys, my name is Ed Swings. I'll see you guys in the next video. Deuces, guys.